Hi St. Sabs and St. Colettas, happy Earth Day week. Today we are going to be using recycled materials, so a water bottle here to do a very simple painting. So if you have paint, that's great. If you don't have paint, I did try it with markers and it still works. So you can do it with markers as long as you have a little water spray bottle. To start this video, you are going to want your piece of paper horizontal. That'll help you to be able to fit in more flowers. And then you are going to take your paint and you are going to squirt it on a paper plate. Again, if you do not have paint, you can use markers for this. So you're going to take the back of your water bottle and you are just going to put it in the paint here. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And I'm going to do 3 of these flowers, so one here, oops, one in the middle, a little bit lower, and then another one at the top right corner here. The camera's in the way. Okay. So now if you do not have paint and you are doing it with a marker, I will demonstrate how you do that. I just finished cleaning off the bottom of my water bottle, so now I'm going to use it with marker. And I have a blue marker here. I'm going to color the entire bottom of my bottle. When I'm done doing that, I am going to take a spray bottle on the mist setting, and then I am going to put it down on my paper, making sure that you get all of the edges on there. Okay, so that still works, and I'm going to do the same for another flower right down here. So we are going to add a center to the flowers. If you do have paint, you're just going to do a little finger painting here. This one already has a little paint in the middle, but that's okay. And then if you are using markers, you can just use a marker to make a circle. And then last, you are going to be adding the stems, the leaves, and the grass. So you can take your green marker, and you can make a curvy line from each flower. And you are going to add some leaves to each one. And lastly, you are going to be adding the grass just by repetition of lines, and you can make them either straight up and down, or you can make them kind of sideways, or a mixture of both, because that's kind of how real grass is. You can also add a little bee or a butterfly to this. Make it your own. I'm going to make just a little bumblebee. And that is the final painting. Have fun creating!